Hi, I'm Nischal Narayanam, founder of our education company, Nischals Smart Learning Solutions. Nischals was founded to transcend traditional boundaries and redefine and revolutionize the conventional teaching pedagogy through activity-based, hands-on experimental learning. We are here to simplify the education system and making learning fun. Our portable labs perfectly manifest this vision. Let me introduce you to our first of its kind physics lab, where we explore wonders of nature and unravel mysteries of the universe through experiments. Our portable physics lab houses over 1,500 lab components with state-of-the-art, world-class lab equipment, grade-wise lab manuals and video guides, as well as a wide range of charts. We can perform over 500 experiments covering the entire curriculum from grade 6 to 10. Our portable lab is a perfect antidote to the traditional approach of taking a child to a lab in a school, but instead it's bringing the lab itself into the classroom, where every day, every concept is taught and learned in a lab atmosphere in a practical way in the classroom itself.
Step into the fascinating world of Nischal's Physics Lab, where our tools revolutionize your conventional classroom experience. Our microscale light kit comes with its own light source and provides hands-on exploration of optics and light phenomena. It replaces the conventional optical bench and facilitates students to learn the various concepts of light, such as rectilinear propagation, laws of reflection, diffraction, dispersion of light, and many more. Study acoustic properties and wave behavior with our sound kit, unraveling phenomena such as resonance, Doppler effect, and sound wave interference with precision and clarity. With our heat kit, students can study thermal properties and delve into concepts like specific heat capacity and thermal expansion. Our kit is equipped with its own heat source and unique tools such as calorimeter, ball and ring apparatus, and many more. Unlock the secrets of electricity and magnetism with our microscale kit equipped with its own power source. Conduct experiments on electromagnetic induction, circuits, and magnetic fields using our DC generator. That's not all. These are just few of the tools part of our innovative physics lab that transcends boundaries and transforms your classroom into a dynamic lab. Our self-sufficient physics lab eliminates external dependencies, making experimentation a seamless and an enjoyable experience. Redefine traditional pedagogy with our portable physics lab, crafted specifically for educators, that fosters hands-on practical learning.